So this is the new Phantom, which is brand new. I mean, just presented, but of course Mansory did all out on the Phantom. It's a bit too much vanilla colored, somewhat lighter interior, I would choose. See, I see the attention to the detail. You have that pattern everywhere. And sky view. I don't want to put my feet here. I don't have. Welcome Rolls Royce Phantom number 2, and just have a look at this. Beautiful sky, magic sky. Let's have a look on it. The rear. Wow, you can open it 90 degrees. I didn't know that. See, this is a welcoming entrance. And see the speakers here. What attention to detail. Actually, Rolls-Royce just have closed, but I don't care because we have the new Rolls-Royce Phantom in Mansory version. Just look at these cup holders, iDrive, pocket, comfort headrests. And look at these. Incredible. Not maybe this soft close, of course. New Phantom is spectacular. I mean, have a look at this roof. See here? You have buttons here. Volume, door. So you can close the door here. I'm gonna try that. Check out here. How it closes. Wow. And you open. That's a nightmare, not being able to come out. The tables here. Probably a button for that. But wow. What the interior. The new Phantom. And you have carbon seats. Gorgeous seats. And the A12 super fast and battery.